Thanks, Sarah. And then we continue with the fifth case 5, precise mapping. Let's think of the scenario that exists. Maybe a surveyor needs to conduct a survey plan in a city, maybe for government. And you got only the paperwork recording every detail like the length and direction, like the figure shows in here. You got a paperwork recording the length in maybe 41 meters and another road distance is shown in here. And you need to digitize GIS data on your computer. So now you can use our COGO or our Advanced Editor in SuperGIS Desktop version 3.2. So we got two new editor. One is called Advanced Editor. It has more tools for smart editing like copy tools, and we also have another function add-on is called COGO that you can help users to construct the line with direction and distance more specifically. So I will just introduce for some basic function in this tool add-on. Like the first one is the traverse. So for this function traverse, that you can create the next vertex with give more accurate direction and a distance, like this one. Like the figure show on the left hand side, it is a raster data and contain the distance and the direction. So you can digitize the road, the line feature based on this information, and then use our traverse to give a start point, the location of the start point X and Y, and then to add a new vertex, and then to specify the direction and the distance. And we got two basic function to add another vertex. One is called direction distance, and another one is angle distance. The direction distance is based on the horizontal and count from the east side and go to the counterclockwise. So this is 135 degrees and then 70 maybe meters, and this is the second vertex will be added. And if you're using the angle distance, it will means that it is to generate the next vertex according to the angle, like this one. So you specify this angle for 30 and the distance for 50 meters. So the next vertex will be added here. So this is the two kind of method to add the traverse, to use the traverse to add the vertex. And for the second function I will introduce is the offset line, that you can use this one to create the parallel line by input the offset and the length. Like the figure shows in here, the yellow line feature. This is if we are going to create a parallel line with this, and then we can select this, and then to use our offset line to specify the distance and the offset. This one, the offset, and we can even choose the side. Maybe we are going to add the parallel line on the left hand side or the right hand side. So it is help users to create a parallel line more easily. So, and another function is point to line function. It will help users to convert the points to line just by one click. So you can, like the figure shows in here, maybe while you are doing the survey, you are only got a point record, maybe by this point and to this one. You work from the start point and to the end, but you got only the points that is recorded. And then when you come back to the office, you can use this function, convert the point to line. It is save time to digitize, and it also increases the accuracy of the line. So While you are using this function, just select the point features and one click. It will connect into a line according to the FID order. So this is will connect start from the FID 1 and the second and the 3 FID 3 and go to the final one FID 17. So it will be connected into a line feature. So it is save time to digitize. And the final one is we call it Cul-De-Sac, that it can help users to create a Cul-De-Sac from a street center line. Think that there's kind of road that it has just a dead end, and maybe like the figure shows here, right hand side. Maybe the road is the dead end is like this. So you can use our function Cul-De-Sac to give the information, maybe to specify the radius and to specify for the return radius and also the streetwise. So you can digitize this kind of roads just by using our Cul-De-Sac function to save your time to digitize every vertex by yourself. So this is for the 4 physical case function in our advanced editor and the COGO. So then we got also other function that we actually we haven't have time to show you today, like we have copy tools and also maybe split proportionally, and also we got COGO reports and etc. So if you have time, you can to do some explore by yourself.
Okay, this is Sarah. Okay, this part seems very technical and mathematical, but it also shows the professional capability of this latest version. Hope our advanced users will feel helpful and useful. We are receiving some nice questions and will reply after the whole presentation. So feel free to raise any questions by typing now. Thank you. Now this is the last part and we will have a great demonstration. Eva?
Okay. Okay, then we go to the final case 6 to help to show you how to produce a map atlas. Like think that you are a map publisher that want to make the atlas of the Thailand, and then maybe you want to show that each province has to be shown on the same layout view. That you can use our function that it is newly supported in version 3.2. It is multiple map friends and also the feature guided page to make each of layout view into a map atlas like this one. So how to do this? The first function you will need is the multiple map friend. It is the concept that to display different area at the same time, even based on different coordinate systems. So these two, my friend, these two can be based on different coordinate systems. And you can also create an indicator to show the correct extent automatically. And another function you'll need is use is feature guided page, that is to show each of the targets to focus on the same layout view, and you can print out all the targets in each pages and then make it into a map atlas. So for the multiple map friend that you need, can help users to display different area at the same time, like these two. This is for the Western Europe, and another map friend display here is show the map for the world. And also you can create an indicator and to show the correct extent, like this one. You will see a green rectangle. It means that it is an indicator. So another which area another map friend is focusing on now. So this is about the multiple map friend. Another function is the feature guided page that you can assign for the map friend, like this, assign, and then the layer, and specify the field and the sorting field. So you can integrate all the map, all the layout view into a map atlas. So let me have a live demo part for this case. Okay. Let me switch this one, go to this one. Okay, let me create a new map first, and then add some data in, like I have prepared a data based on Thailand and polygon layer and a raster data. Let me add the data in here. This is one map frame, so the map show for Thailand. So let me switch to as a node to switch the symbology like here. So this is the first map frame. If I'm going to have another map frame, I need to go to edit, and go to insert a new map frame. And you will show this is a new map frame. So I'm going to have an overview of this Thailand, of this polygon layer, so I can add the data in here in this map frame. If you're afraid that it is confused about the name of the map frame, so you can go to property and to rename it, to remind yourself this is an overview. And if you want to go back to this map frame to focus to see the data, you need to switch by this one, activate. It means to activate to this map frame to display the data in this one. So you will see the layers. If the map frame is activated, it will be in bold text. The text, it will be in bold. So this is the method that you can switch between two map frames. And then the second part that we're going to use is to use our feature guided page to make a map atlas. So you need to go to the view and to switch to the layout view. So in here you will see two map frames, right? So if I'm going to use this map frame as an overview, I can to use this for extend, and then to make it smaller, just remind you this is overview part. And then this is the main target that I want to show each province in this main frame. So I need to use our feature guided page, this one. And then this is the toolbar, first thing that we need to set up. And then to enable the mapbook pages and specify the layers and the layers under the map frame, and also the name of field. So the name means each provincing. So this is the provincing of main Hongxiang, and we can use the next page to switch to another province. And maybe this is go to the next one, and we can go to the last page directly by use this one, last page. And if we are going to use an indicator, so how to do this? You can to use the indicator by right click on the map frame and go to the property page, and to switch to this one, extend indicator, and to select the map frame that you are going to show the current extent. So use this one and apply. So you will see a little green rectangle showing here. It means we are focusing in this area now. So while you're doing switch, it will change also. So this is the final case that I introduced for today. So you can start to produce your own map by this printer icon to print out the old pages, or to print out the current page only, or to give the page range also. So This is for the case 6.